Hi, Jamaicans.com. This is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt with another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. Alright, as you join my live video, just tell me where you're connecting from tonight. It's all about a very light and exciting topic. I know many of you guys are in the Christmas vibe, in the gift giving vibe, and I'm so much in the gift giving vibe. Like, I'm just so Christmassy right now. And I want your help. But before we get to talking about what I need your help with, I want you to tell me where you're connecting from. I am connecting with you out of Kingston, Jamaica, and I am so happy to be in Jamaica this Christmas. Like, I love Jamaica Christmas. I love Jamaica all the time, but I especially love Jamaica Christmas time. I think we go all, Jamaicans go all out for Christmas. You can tell me what you think. As you come in, just tell me where you're connected, where you're connecting or watching this video. And just, yeah. And just tell me if you enjoy Christmas in JA. If you're just joining, my name is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and this is another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann. Alright? So, tonight's topic, we are talking about, and I love to see comments, and I don't know why I'm not seeing your comments. So just tell me if you're hearing me. If you're hearing me clearly, give me some hearts. Give me some hearts. Give me some thumbs up if you're hearing me clearly. And just tell me where you guys are connecting from. All right. Hopefully I'll see your comments pretty soon. I'm not so sure why I'm not seeing your comments. All right. So tonight's topic, we are talking about gift giving, and this is something that I really need your help with, because we have in my 9 to 5 we have a pixie thing going on. So you guys are hearing me clearly, I can see. Thank you for the hearts. I still not seeing your comments. Are you guys sending me comments? I love seeing your comments. I really look forward to your comments. Okay, so hopefully it will come up. You see my bed. All right. Okay, Winsome says none made probably. All right. I'm getting a lot of love. I'm getting a lot of hearts. I like it. Okay. All right, guys, let's get back to what I was talking about. So I need your help. I need help this Christmas. So for my 9 to 5, we are being asked. Hi, Troy from Connecticut. We are being asked to do a gift exchange. So we have like a pixie thing going on at work. And I chose a Jamaican man. So one of my male co-workers, I have to get him a gift. I don't know what to get him. Can you please help me? What is your suggestion? What gift? What's the best Christmas gift for a Jamaican man? Can you help me out, please? Bob says, hi, Ashley, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Best Christmas gift for a Jamaican man, a beautiful Jamaican woman like you. You're too sweet. So are you saying that I should take him out on a date? I think he's married. I don't think I can do that. What's your topic this evening? Daniel, I'm talking about the best Christmas gift for a Jamaican man. Do you have any suggestions for me? I am in a gift exchange at work, and I don't really... What's his personality? And I'm not a good... I know what to get women. But I don't know what to get a Jamaican men like food, but am I going to buy him food for Christmas? Like, I don't know what to buy him. Can you get... And I really want some of these Jamaican men who are joining live. Bob said, get him a Jamaican woman like me. Like, wow, I was set up a blind date. And I think he's married. Winsome says, what's his personality? Okay, he's the type of guy, typical Jamaican, he's not fussy. So if you give him, he's very gracious and grateful. He's that type of person, that type of personality who, I don't necessarily need this, but I'm looking forward to something. That type of person. So Where you get them people there? What do you get a Jamaican man for Christmas? Daniel says a Jamaican man is a gift in and of itself. Us Jamaican ladies in foreign know that. All right, Clinton says, Clinton from England, how old is he? Okay, he is, and I don't know his actual age, I'm going to guess. He's possibly in his 40s. Yeah, so, Chado said get him a wallet. Okay, so here's the other part of the thing. I have to ensure I spend at least 3,000 Jamaican dollars. And I think in the US that's converted to a little over 20 US. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. So a wallet don't cost 3,000 Jamaican dollars. When say you get him a watch. A watch. I could get him a watch, but I don't see him wear jewelry that much. So what do you wear? And you see, the thing is, I don't like to get Christmas gifts, and you can tell me this. I like to get things that I'll use. So if I'm not going to use it, I'm not going to request it, right? And I like to give people suggestions, and it's actual things that I need. Case in point, I think one time I wanted a lunch pan, and I asked for that for my Christmas gift, and I got it. Get him a manicure. Men like manicure. Jamaican men like like if I say, okay, here is a spa, I don't know, a spa voucher. A voucher to a spa, you can go and get your mani and pedi and mani. Like, would he go? Like, do Jamaican men like stuff like that? I think it would be mostly for women. Alicia says, sorry, you're in Jamaica. Sorry, I'm in Jamaica? Why is that a bad thing? Shango says, give him attention. Cook for him. What you saying now? And serve him food like that of a king. So you're saying we're actually going to do the gift exchange at our Christmas dinner. So I don't need to cook for him. A platinum Chanel for man smells real good. A platinum Chanel. Okay, where would I get that? Troy, help me out. Where would I get that? Shawnee says a cap or a hat. But it have to cost 3,000 Jamaican dollars. So a cap or a hat would cost $3,000. Like, what would you get if you are buying a gift for a Jamaican man? And I won't be here for long. Just tell me what would you get a Jamaican man for Christmas? Like, I can tell you. Like, as a Jamaican woman, I want to know that I have things for my house. Right? You can tell me if I'm wrong, but I need stuff for my house. So if you're going to help me with my redecoration, I love those presents. I'm a working woman, so I like things for my office as well. Right? So if you want to get me something, a nice little organizer, if you want to get me a handbag, like, I'm a working woman. You understand? If you want to get me some accessories for my electronics, love that. But I don't like a man. Man provide for themselves. So I don't know what to get him. Daniel says a gift card for a restaurant. Okay, I could probably do that. Macy's, I'm in Jamaica. Hello. we don't have Macy's in Jamaica. Well, not yet. Chado say it's too much money. What is too much money? The platinum Chanel don't. That me I think too. Chado also says get him something for his car. That's a suggestion. Okay, in terms of car accessories, what could I get him? Alright, I can tell you about this as well. He's a very hardworking man and he works for whatever he wants. So I would have to go do some research to find out what he already has, because I don't want to buy. As I tell you, I am the type of person, I like to give gifts and I like to receive gifts that I actually use. You know, like I get some Christmas gift and you pack them up and all know you don't use them. Not this girl. I only ask what I want. Get him socks. Angela, I don't know if I would get him socks. Macy's, it's cologne. Oh, Macy's is a type of cologne. Oh, you're saying Platinum Chanel is a cologne. I could check it out. I could go and check it out for real. Thank you for that. Thank you so much for that, Troy. All right, Alicia says no because I said previous to get something from Bath and Body Work. We have Bath and Body Work products in Jamaica, but I don't know if he's that type of man. You know, some Jamaican men are rootsy, like them don't want nothing too smelling like women are florally and citrusy. Fire upon that. All right. Bob Arthur says, get him an electronic tire gauge. What is that? What is that, Bob? Like, can you explain to me what is an electronic tire gauge? Like, and it's gauge, right? I'm pronouncing it right? Or God? I think it's gauge. Pauline says, a nice island shirt. He's a Jamaican man, but he's not a tourist. Gian Henry says, a nice dress shirt. Lord Jesus, you gonna send me to the clothes store now, Gian? Like, me not even know him size. And he's not a muscular man. He's like, how should I say no? He's like, he is of medium stature. That makes sense? Dwayne says, hi Dwayne. He says, get him a nice shirt in his favorite color. Lord Jesus, I have to find out his favorite color. I don't know his favorite color. So, okay. What I'm getting from you guys, I need to do some more research on this man, right? I thought I could get a general gift because most of the Jamaican men that I know, they're not so fussy. So if you get them, I think somebody was saying a wallet, that would be nice. But you see, the thing is, they set a limit at my workplace. And if you're just joining this conversation, I'm talking about the best gift for a Jamaican man for Christmas. You know, it's very easy for people to come up with gift ideas for children, for women. But it's when you come out to the men, like somebody on here suggested, get him socks. I don't know if that's a gift idea. Get him a tie. Okay, I could do that. Seat covering that matches his car. A nice tie. Okay, I could look into that, Angela. The seat covering that matches his car. That's nice. What was the last, did you give a Jamaican man a gift last year for Christmas? And if you did, what did you give him? Because I think that would be helpful for me as well. Lafayette say Lafayette, you're saying that you got him a watch. Andrea says give him a gift card. Gift card to where though? Carol says give him a gold ring. I don't think he's a jewelry type of person because I don't see much jewelry. I don't see where he wears a lot of jewelry. I can tell you, I don't want to give out. Don't want to give too many specific descriptions of him because I don't know if he's watching this live. All right. He's a social media tete. He loves social media. I can tell you that. Okay, so he likes Jamaica's #1 natural herb. If you know what I'm talking about, you is a real Jamaican. So I have been giving him bits and pieces of those things related to the natural herb because he likes it. Christine says cologne can't go wrong. And Lafayette says yes. And you're saying yes to getting him a watch? Okay. All right. Karen says give him a bottle of rum. Karen. If that is not the best gift to give a Jamaican man, I don't know what is. What? Yeah. That is such a good idea. I think I definitely will put in a bottle of rum. Incidentally, I have already given him liquor because we are supposed to, and for all the persons who are just joining the discussion, we're talking about the best gift for a Jamaican man this Christmas. Like, what's the best Christmas gift for a Jamaican man? It's easy to come up with gifts for children, gifts for women, you understand? But what you give them on them? Like, for real. And what kind of gift you give them what them actually use? So when you said a bottle of rum, you know say Christmas now come and go. And a Jamaican man don't put some rum to their mouth. You understand? It's kind of, unless he's on medication. All right. Quite a number of you guys are laughing, but it's the truth. Tell me if I'm lying. If I am lying, send me some of the angry faces. If I'm telling the truth, give me some hearts. Get him a pipe. What him doing with a pipe? What, like just a random stretch of pipe? Like, I don't understand. Lloyd says cologne is the must, or just cook some good food. So the thing is, the gift exchange for this, we're doing the gift exchange at our annual Christmas party. So food will be there, so I don't need to cook food for him separate and apart from that. You understand? So I don't know if it would make sense to cook for him. And it's not my personal man. Let me just put that out there, guys. This is not my personal man. I am in a gift exchange. I'm participating in a gift exchange at work. And the person who I selected is one of my male co-workers. He's a Jamaican man. Nadine said, you don't have to know the person taste. Oh, you have to know the person taste. That's the thing. He's not a talkative type, and he's not at work as often for me hear some of the conversations that he would usually have. So I can say, yeah. It's just the few times that I get to see him, like I'll hear certain things or I'll ask around, but then I'll be a woman I work with. I want to know, so I can't if I ask too many questions, then yeah, and you don't want to give out your pixie name. Alright, Clover says a bottle of Hennessy. That is definitely over 3,000 Jamaican dollars. By the way, the gift has to be at least $3,000. It can't be less than 3,000 Jamaican dollars. And that's basically like a little over US $20. Alright, Clinton says maybe get him some kind of nice lighter. Yeah, you know, if I could get like because he is a Clinton, you pick up a type of man he is. You can get some nice lighters, and depending on the price, you could get it engraved. Ooh, Clinton, you giving me some good suggestions. I could definitely get something engraved, and I really like those keepsakes, like those personalized gifts. I'm that type of person. I love getting stuff like that, so I can just imagine that other people would, you know, with them name on it, and yeah. I won't be here for long, guys, but I really appreciate all the suggestions that you guys shared with me. Donna says, how about a gift card, stress-free? I don't want to be too lazy and just say, okay, I couldn't come up with something, so here is a gift card to a pharmacy. Go enjoy yourself. I don't want to do that. I want to get something nice, and I'm willing to do the research, even though it's so hard to do the research, but I want to get him something that's very thoughtful. And where better to field some suggestions than right here on my live. Alright, Karen says, when you give the rum, give him the weed. Well, my folks get proper high grade, right? Alright, guys, thank you so much for joining my live. Let me just encourage you guys, even if it's just kind words that you can afford this season, share something positive with somebody, anybody, with as many people as you can this season. It's the season of giving. It's the season of sharing. It's the season of love. It's probably one of my favorite seasons, right? It's the seasons I have so many boyfriends. Oh, did I just say that? But yeah, everybody's just really loving. Marsharine says, oh, okay, now that you explain, give him the gift of music. Okay, what do you mean? What do you mean give him the gift of music? Nadine says, pen set and engrave his name on it. I like that. I really like the engrave idea. I think Clinton gave me a nice idea. Read the lighters. with the lighter, the cologne, the watches. Guys, I really appreciate all of these suggestions. It kind of helped me to put things in perspective and helped me to figure out what's the best gift to give him. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my live. You know, I do Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt live video randomly each week, at least once per week, so that I can connect with you guys. But outside of Jamaicans.com Facebook page, I'm also on livewellja.com. I'm also on Instagram as Ashleigh-Ann, as at A Mowatt. I'm on Facebook as my full name, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, and I'm on Twitter at A_Mowatt. If you go on my Facebook page, you'll see all my information. You can keep in touch with me and continue to send me some suggestions. Please go ahead and share this live so that your friends and your family members can chime in the discussion and share their suggestions, because I really need them. Clinton says, see you soon. See you soon too, Clinton. It look like we're going to book up somewhere. Oh, Marsharin says, get him his favorite album. Oh, I get what you mean. I get what you mean. Troy says, happy holidays to you and your family and the whole Jamaica. I'm out. Take care, Troy. Take care to all of you guys. Happy holidays. I'll be back Christmas week. Oh, we're back. I enjoy. It's like Facebook won't wrap up my life before I finish wrapping it up. Facebook, I want to stay so. Alright, so I really enjoy your company and I enjoy sharing with you. So until that was Jamaican, the knitter. Until another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, take good care of yourself and stay positive. Take care.